the long-awaited feature that we were looking forward to seeing on this year's Ultra phone will finally be available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In an interview, South Korea's Minister of Science and ICT disclosed that indigenous South Korean manufacturers would have satellite communication functions on their phones next year. Because Samsung is the only major brand in South Korea, it's reasonable to assume that the Galaxy S24 series will have the long-awaited satellite connection function. This functionality is already available on iPhones. However, the S24 Ultra's satellite communication is superior than that of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 only enables one-way communication, therefore it can only be used for SOS apps. However, Samsung's satellite feature supports two-way communication, which means that you can use it not only for emergency situations, but also for regular messaging in areas where there is no cellular network, making it the world's first satellite communication to do so. To reduce congestion, Samsung might enable 160-character texts to a predefined group of contacts. We now have additional information regarding the S24 Ultra's new telephoto camera. Ice Universe has announced that the S24 Ultra would get a new 50MP 3x telephoto camera, which will be 5 times more powerful than the S23 Ultra. Today, he discloses the sensor and pixel sizes, both of which are increasing in size. The phone will have a larger 1/2.52-inch camera sensor than the S23 Ultra, which has a 1/3.52-inch sensor. As a result, a larger sensor and higher resolution camera will not only increase quality dramatically, but non-native zoom levels such as 5x zoom will also improve significantly. The enhancements are so significant that Samsung will actively advertise the phone's 5x zoom picture quality, which likely explains prior claims about the phone possessing a 5x telephoto camera. Unfortunately, the 10x periscope zoom camera's hardware will stay intact. However, this does not exclude an increase in quality since the new processors will deliver better ISPs, which will also make a significant impact. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.